What are you planting at your practice? Hi everyone, Angus, Pryor here, multi-award winning practice growth specialist. Now, I want to tell you a little story and then it relates back to your practice and where you find yourself. For the first time this year, we did something called a no-dig garden. You can see down there, it's a raised garden bed and it had layers of manure and fertiliser and straw over and over again. And we've had quite the bumper crop. In fact, that's a small sample there. But of course, you know, you've heard that proverb, you reap what you sow. And if at your practice you're not getting the results that you want, it may be that the planting you're doing is not right. Now, there's two aspects. The first is that things do take time. You know, a few months ago, that garden bed, there was absolutely nothing there at all. There was the results of all the foundation that we'd built, but apart from that, there was nothing to show for it. Fast forward a few months, and as you can see, the results are quite spectacular. The second part is about doing things differently. Sometimes there's benefit in just faithfully doing over and over, and then you get the growth, but sometimes you've got to change things up. We had never done this no-dig garden before, and we're really happy with the results. And it may be that at your practice, you're doing some things that no longer serve you because circumstances change, don't they? Like at the time of recording, you can see it's pretty dry out there. We haven't had much rain for quite some time. And it can be like that for you trying to attract patients. So really, I've got two questions for you. The first is, what are you planting at your practice? And the second one is, are you adapting? Because maybe you've got to do whatever the practice equivalent is of the no-dig garden. If we can help, please get in touch. My details are below. Otherwise, see you next time.